Do you have a preference for like any NIVs, IVs, or like L's or worse perm? Is there any particular one that you like the most?
Mm, Not really, because if you are narrowed down your practice into one area, let's say I only take perm cases, then I don't know anything happen around. I'm kind of wanting to know everything.
Yeah,
Because if someone have a conversation in business section, for example, and even though I don't do that practice, I would read that and just take mental notes.
yeah,
And that's how I want to progress forward. So I don't like to stuck into one specific area in business immigration, but I wanted to be within the parameters of business
yeah,
immigration. Because
yeah,
like it's going to be too much if you're going to do family business and litigation and all that.
yeah.
So
That for sure is gonna be too much. Yeah, I've seen
mm,
people who like know of like even within business, EB, they know like how to respond to like your article about I-140, like particular topics, but they're not broad. Like they won't know like how to do the consular processing portion potentially or adjustment of status, of course, stuff that I need to know. So it's a thing you got to know a little bit of everything, but then more and more when you get down to what you do. But you got to spot stuff like I remember I don't do humanitarian stuff typically, and I don't listen to TPS as much. Like when it happens, it doesn't happen. But I had a L1 I was doing, and it wasn't the strongest L1. Then I just like TPS for Yemen, those Yemenis family had been out for like months, and then like a week before the deadline for filing, I heard about it. I'm like, oh wait, maybe we should just do TPS for them just to have it. And I had to like figure out what TPS, not the most complex kind of case, but I had to jump in there and learn it. So it's just one of those things you got to know everything, but you got to know what you're doing day to day the best. But you got to keep an eye out on all these moving parts when it comes to immigration.
I agree. I agree. I mean, if you jump in and take risks, that's only allowing you opportunity to learn other areas. Yeah, totally.